playing the game. I tell you that failure's not in my plans. Matt Games in the building, and what's going on YouTube? Today we got a CyberPowerPC video, a update, 2 months, baby. Let's go. How has it held up? Has it blown up? Has the house blown up? I was just playing, bro. We Gucci, bro. But be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get it. Just like last time, we finna go over the pieces that I have hooked to the PC. Ring light, external hard drive, yes sir. These in the back. Hey, I'm thinking it's the camera, the Elgato, well the Elgato, which is the camera. Blue Yeti microphone, keyboard, mouse. Sheesh. SSD. Probably gonna get one to put inside the computer soon. But it's still holding up and amazing. Yeah. Still looking scrumptious. New CPU in there. Now, let's get into my basic usage of the PC and what I'm doing when I use the PC. So for the most part, I'm using the PC to stream and play games simultaneously. So basically at the same time, really I just gave a definition. I'm wilding, but yeah, at the same time, and I'm never having any overheating issues. From time to time it'll crash, but that's more so an OBS issue more than anything, because OBS, I have no idea what it is. OBS and Warzone just do not go hand in hand. I can play any other game I want to while recording with OBS, but Warzone, they do not like each other. OBS and Warzone do not like each other. And you know what I'm saying? It is what it is. That's just how they vibe. You know, I can make my beats perfectly. No stutters, no shakes. It runs so smooth. I'm just go down the line. My Norton antivirus, you know, you got to be protected. Google, it is what it is. Steam runs perfectly fine. No stutters, no nothing. It's really fast, really responsive. I love it. Affinity Publisher, Photo and Designer. That's what I use to make thumbnails. You know, it's basically my software that I use to make Battle.net. Warzone, you know the vibes with that. I need that to hook my controller to the PC. Slight weird sometimes, but it's what it is. DS4, you know, you need the DS4 EXE to be able to use your PS4 controller console. Warzone, yeah, NVIDIA, blah blah blah. Photoshop. I'm trying to get into Photoshop, but I really like Affinity, so I probably don't even really get into Photoshop for it. Cursed, ain't played that in a while. I might drop a video soon. Who knows? Who knows? Your boy. Whoa, alarm going off. Your boy just might drop a video soon. I just might. Valorant. Oh god, y'all saw that video. I'm down bad in Valorant. I haven't played it since I upgraded the CPU though. I just might go back to it. Sadly, I might go back to it. Fortnite, amazing. I dropped the latest video on that if you want me to be more, you know, in tune with Fortnite and in depth. I'm talking about in tune, in depth with Fortnite and how everything has been with that. The Sims 4, I love the Sims, bro. I know I'm wild, I'm weird, but I love the Sims. I rock with the Sims heavy. GTA, for the life of me, I cannot get a good RP gameplay with GTA. I don't know why, I just cannot get a good video. It's crazy. Siege, I gotta get better at Siege. It's so slow though, bro. I haven't played Minecraft yet. uTorrent, I mean, yeah, and it's just a download software. Thinkorswim, for all my, if it's any investors in here that's watching my channel, Thinkorswim runs so fast on this computer, it's ridiculous. Waves is for my VSTs. My sounds, I use Mixcraft for my, oh, I need to get 64-bit. I'm wild. I need to go down on my 64-bit. Wilding. But yeah, I use Mixcraft for my song to edit, to edit all my music. I use Mixcraft. Origin, Apex. Love Apex, bro. I'm starting to really like Apex like I did when it first came out. It's crazy. MSI Afterburner, I use that for my fans. So you open it up, you know what I'm saying? Whoa, hold on now, Playboy. Hold on now, Playboy. Boom, man. When you do that, look at that. You turn off fan sync, boom, and you can, oh no, fan sync, you keep fan sync on. You turn off auto, because that's gonna be on by default, auto. So what you do is you can change your speed. So once you do that, boom, fan speed is up. It's rocking and rolling. But yeah, I think I keep them at 80, but more so if you don't want them to be too loud. I mean, look at the temperature of the CPU's not. You know what I'm saying? It's really not. I mean, GPU. He's not that. That's with me recording on OBS right now. Granted, and OBS uses my graphics card. Temperature's not that bad. That's how much. Yeah, it's fire. It's fire. You have to basically do your research on Afterburner and see how that works. You never exit it. You just minimize it so it can keep your settings going. Yeah, though, man. Hold on. I'll go back to the camera and I can talk, I guess. Boom. So that's basically how the PC been running. Everything I run on it. I haven't had any new problems, any new stumbles or hiccups, nothing out of the ordinary. It's just been pretty good. When it's used extensively, streaming and gaming at the same time. So, you know, and then editing videos and watching YouTube, like it gets used pretty good. So I would say it's doing pretty well, man. And it was a pretty good pickup. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We out.